Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna teach how to use for in spoken English. For is one of the most commonly used prepositions in English and it has several functions. Here's a breakdown with a simple trick and examples to make it easy to remember. The very first one is for expresses purpose or reason. Use for when talking about the purpose of something. For examples, I bought a gift for my friend. In this sentence, the reason I bought the gift was for my friend. He is studying for his exams. In this sentence, he is studying because of the exams. Second one is for to indicate duration or time. Use for when talking about how long something happens. For examples, she has been waiting for 2 hours. In this sentence, the duration of her waiting is 2 hours. They lived in that city for 5 years. In this sentence, the duration of living was 5 years. 3. For when talking about support or preference. Use for when you are expressing support or liking something. For examples, I'm for the new school rules. In this sentence, I support the new rules. He's really for trying new foods. He prefers trying new foods. Trick to remember for. Think of for as explaining why or how long something is happening, or who, what you are supporting. For purpose. Why you do something. I went to the store for bread. For duration, how long something lasts. For example, I studied for 3 hours. For support, show your preference as support. For example, I'm for helping others. Now we're going to learn some examples in sentences. We're going out for dinner. This sentence is for purpose. I waited for a long time. This sentence is for duration. Are you for or against the proposal? This sentence is for support. Now we're going to learn about some practice questions. The very first one is purpose. What did you buy this for? Second, duration. How long did you stay for? 3. Support. Are you for the new rules? With this trick, you can easily use for in different contexts while speaking English. Catch you up in the next video. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.